Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a groundbreaking new feature introduced in iOS 18 eye tracking. Let's dive in to learn how it works and how you can set it up. To enable eye tracking, start by updating your device to iOS 18 if you haven't already. Once that's done, follow these steps. Head to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, look for the eye tracking option. Tap it and toggle the switch to enable the feature. When you enable eye tracking, you'll be prompted to complete a simple setup process. A dot will appear on your screen, and you'll need to follow it with your eyes. This helps the device calibrate to your eye movements. The dot will move across the screen, and once you've followed it completely, you'll see a confirmation check mark. And that's it! Eye tracking is now set up. Here's how it works. Look at a specific control or button on your screen for a second or two, and the system will recognize your selection. For example, you can look at the back button on the top left corner, and it'll automatically activate without you touching the screen. You'll also notice that Assistive Touch is enabled automatically when eye tracking is turned on. This adds a virtual home button, allowing you to access extra features like scrolling, going to the home screen, or opening the notification and control centers all with your eyes. This feature is incredibly intuitive and opens up a whole new way of using your device. Whether you want to browse hands-free or need an accessibility-friendly option, eye tracking has you covered. And that's how you can enable and use the new eye tracking feature in iOS 18. Drop your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.